Hi, Miles Red Songbird, the Michelle Birdsong in New York City, doing for you the non-politically correct obituary of Edwin Birdsong. On the first part of the video, I corrected them when they said that Edwin conducted the New York City Children's Symphony Orchestra. And it was really Isaiah Jackson who was the conductor of the New York City Children's Symphony Orchestra that conducted Edwin and our songs. There was two of them at Carnegie Hall when the album What It Is came out. Isaiah Jackson, I have discovered, is the father of Melanie Murphy, my daughter, immaculately conceived. We had sex mentally. He wondered what it would be like to make love to me, and I wondered what it would be like to make love with him. And that created Melanie. Okay, let's see what else. They talk about Edwin recorded the singles Perfect Love in 1984 and Son of a Rapper Dapper Snapper in 1985 for his own label, Sing Records, named for one of his sons. That son was Sing Birdsong. They didn't name his name, but that's what it was. Okay, so let's go over here with, what's that word? Eviction. Is that eviction? Oh, this is where it begins. Okay, I'll see. Edwin Birdsong's non-politically correct obit. When his other daughter was 3 or 4 years old, Edwin, this is talking about Melanie. This is Melanie. Okay. When she was 3 or 4 years old, Edwin refused. That's Robin and Melanie. That's Edwin, the Michelle Birdsong, me, Robin, and his other daughter, Melanie L. Spear, standing with the mother of the boy who is going with Robin, another whole group of kids. She's wearing the t-shirt, Children as Teachers of Peace. They're going to Beijing, China, and Nicaragua in Central America as a part of that organization. Okay, so anyway, when his other daughter, Melanie, who was A1, Adam and Eve's daughter in the garden. When she was 3 or 4 years old, Edwin refused to include her in his trip to Stevie Wonder and his Alpine, New Jersey family, Yolanda Simmons, Aisha, and Keita for Christmas. Edwin didn't say why Melanie couldn't go with them. No matter how much Singing Robin and I cried and pleaded, he just kept saying no. Come to find out, Melanie had been Eva Braun, Hitler's wife of 1 month. And Stevie was Hitler, had been Hitler, who had either killed Eva Braun or caused her to take the pills and kill herself at the end of World War II. It's good Edwin didn't put Melanie, Eva Braun, and Steve in a position of rekindling their relationship, because Melanie owes him death unless she can forgive him. Once when Singing Robin, let me just mark this so I know I did this right. Once when Singing Robin and Michael John Spear and I went to the downtown recording studio where Studio 54, so popular with the jet set celebrities of the 1960s, had been. We were at this recording studio because Eddie Murphy, Buckwheat, from the Little Rascals series, had requested that Sing, who was Jimi Hendrix and projected himself as Sly Stone, Robin Azor, Adam and Eve's Baby Girl, sang on one of his, Eddie Murphy, songs he was recording. So he wanted them to sing background. Stevie's children, Ayesha and Keita, were also there to sing along with Stevie's brother, Calvin's little girl. You understand, they were all going to sing background on Eddie Murphy's album. Eddie Murphy, well, I'll say that later. Calvin's wife couldn't get over the fact that Sing and Robin, or both, were wearing Izod shirts. That lizard symbolized wealth and status in the culture at that time. I didn't go into the fact that Sing and Robin's violin teacher, Mrs. Elvira Morgenstern, once a professional violinist with the Cincinnati Symphony Orchestra. She worked at the Greenwich Village House School of Greenwich House School of Music in the West Village of Manhattan, New York. Mrs. Morgenstern was close friends with an Izod manufacturer, and she got us Izod shirts at a discount. Hence, Sing and Robin wore Izod shirts all the time. And Robin wore designer clothes almost all the time because I shopped at Second Cousins, an upscale resale shop like Goodwill or Salvation Army, thrift shop of the rich. So I got Robin great dresses there, clothes good as new at prices I could afford, on a secretary, high school teacher, my other husband, Michael John Spear,